AskJack AI is the best AI software that's just been released, and in this review, I'll share 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. If you're curious about how it can transform your digital tasks, keep watching till the end, as I've got some insights that'll help you make the most of it. First off, AskJack AI is all about streamlining your workflow. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or content creator, this software helps you save time and effort by automating tasks that once required manual input. It's an AI tool that can handle things from basic customer inquiries to more complex data analysis, making it a game changer in productivity. One of the most impressive features of AskJack AI is its conversational interface. You're not just working with a static one-dimensional assistant, it's dynamic and learns from your inputs, making its responses more accurate the more you interact. It's like having a digital assistant that evolves alongside your needs. Second, its ability to integrate with other platforms is a standout. Whether you're using CRM software, social media management tools, or even email marketing systems, AskJack AI connects seamlessly. This is vital for businesses looking to consolidate multiple workflows into one place and save time switching between different platforms. If you're already familiar with other tools, you'll love how easily AskJack can fit into your existing setup. Third, AskJack AI has an intuitive dashboard that is very user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate it. Whether you're creating tasks, scheduling posts, or pulling analytics, it's all done with minimal clicks. For those who find some software overwhelming, this could be a breath of fresh air. Now, let's talk about the performance. This software isn't just about looks. It packs a punch in terms of functionality. AskJack AI processes data quickly, provides insights in real time, and doesn't slow down when handling multiple tasks. It ensures your projects stay on track, even when you're dealing with large volumes of information. Another game-changing feature is the smart automation. With AskJack AI, you can automate repetitive tasks like generating reports, answering FAQs, or handling customer support inquiries. This frees up valuable time for you to focus on more creative or strategic work. As for pricing, AskJack AI is incredibly competitive. Many AI tools in the market charge a premium for similar functionalities, but this one offers great value. You can even start using it for free with no strings attached, which is fantastic if you're looking to test it out before committing. Lastly, the support system is exceptional. The team behind AskJack AI is responsive and helpful. If you ever run into any issues, you won't be left in the dark. They offer tutorials, FAQs, and direct support that ensures you're not on your own while learning how to use the software. So, to summarize, AskJack AI is an intelligent, flexible, and efficient AI tool that's perfect for anyone looking to streamline their digital tasks. It integrates with other platforms, has a simple user interface, performs seamlessly, and offers great value for its price. If you're interested, you can try it for free using the first link below. I've spent years testing thousands of AI tools, and AskJack AI stands out. If you're ready to explore more, I've got a list of my recommended AI tools in the description below, so you can start optimizing your workflow with the best of the best. Don't forget to check them out.